na o si Kamang kanta.
Sige. Listen! Isarunong.
Bislak ka no. Una na ni Tita Flor.
Ayan. Palakpakan naman po natin ng Navas Band sa napakagandang sayaw at kanta po nila.
At danubiyok anatayag ay ako nakaam-ama. Normansa ay naganas kanayon lang nga iabla. Dakil ti pamagina macho gwapo ako nada. Arik na pa'y jay bambansin sa ar-arya itirabi. At danubiyok anataya ay ako nakaang-ama. Normansa ay naganas kanayon lang nga iabla. Dakkel ti pamagina macho gwapo ako nada. Arik na pa'y jay bambantin sa ar-arya itirabi. Aniya na bislak, aniya na bislak, nagmayaten abis lang. Aniya na bislak, aniya na bislak, nagdakilin abis lang. Aniya na bislak, aniya na bislak, at datanay humagat. Nagsakiten ti aplat, jay bislak ay maulawa. At danubiyok anatayang ay apo nakaam-ama. Normansa ay naganas kanayon lang nga iabla. Dakkel ti pamagina macho gwapo ako nada. Arik na pa'y jay bambantin sa ar-arya itirabi. Aniya na bislak, aniya na bislak, nagmayaten abis lang. Aniya na bislak, aniya na bislak, nagdakilin abis lang. Aniya na bislak, aniya na bislak, at datanay kumagat. Nagsakiten ti aklat, jay bislak ay maulawa. Aniya na bislak, aniya na bislak, nagmayaten abis lang. Aniya na bislak, aniya na bislak, nagdakilin abis lang. Aniya na bislak, aniya na bislak, at datanay kumagat. Nagsakiten ti aklat, jay bislak ay maulawa. Nagsakiten ti aklat, jay bislak nakagangganas. baka inang alilawin, pasaktan nakin pagsangitin. Hastoy gayam ni ayat, sinigurado ken inamak, numagon ud mon tuy ayat, baka kitno isukat na. Hastoy gayam ni ayat, sinigurado ken inamak, dumagon ud mon tuy ayat, baka kitno isukat na. Dumagon ud mon tuy ayat, baka kitno sikugan na. Willingly, I fell in love with you.
Willingly, I've learned to love you too. Though we both knew that it was wrong for someone else, we both belong. We fell in love willingly.
Willingly, I fell although I knew.
Sweetheart, I knew the same as you. So if it's fate for us to wait until our love can be, then we'll wait willingly.
I love you.
I love you too.
I want you.
I want you to. But if it's fate for us to wait until our love can be, then we'll wait willingly.
I love you.
I love you too.
I want you.
I want you to. But if it's fate for us to wait until our love can be, then we'll wait willingly. Then we'll wait willingly. There's a storm across the valley. The clouds are rolling in. The afternoon is heavy on your shoulder. There's a truck out on the 4-lane, a mile or more away. The whining of its wing just make it colder. Is an hour away from riding on your prayers up in the skies, and 10 days on the road are barely gone. There's a fire softly burning, supper's on the stone. and there's a light in your eyes that makes him warm. Hey, it's good to be back home again. Sometimes this old farm feels like a long lost friend. Yes, and hey, it's good to be back home again. They're all the news to tell you how do you spend your time, and what's the latest things the neighbors say. And your mother could last Friday, sunshine made her cry, and you feel the baby move just yesterday. Hey, it's good to have you home again. Sometimes this old farm feels like a long lost friend. Hey, it's good to have you home again. Oh, the time that I can lay this tired old body down and feel your finger feeling soft on me. The kisses that I leave for the love that lights my way, the happiness that living with you brings me. It's the sweetest thing I know of just spending time with you. It's the little thing that make a house a home. Like a fire softly burning and suffers on the stone, and then a light in your eyes that makes me warm. Hey, it's good to be back home again. Yesterday, sometimes this old farm feels like a long lost friend. Hey, it's good to have you home again. So it feels so good to be back home again. There's a circle of people, but I'm no longer welcome. I'm ashamed to say that I'm no longer free. I could suffer on tomorrow and face my friends again, but I've got no reason to quit. No, I've got no reason for living right, and there's no other way to forget. I could suffer on tomorrow and face my friends again, but I've got no reason to quit. But I've got no reason for living right, and there's no other way to forget. I know down deep inside me I'm a man enough to change, but I've got no reason to quit. But I've got no reason for living right, and there's no other way to forget. I know down deep inside me I'm a man enough to change, but I've got no reason to quit. I saw a man today, said and talked to you. Not so long ago, I think a man or two. As my mind reaches back in time, I pray, oh Lord, don't let it show the things I'd forget you 15 years ago. 15 years ago, and I still feel the same. Why did he have to mention your name? I'm as broken up inside as see between wake or sun. It takes a mighty strong love to keep a man thinking of a girl that hasn't seen since 15 years ago. I've got a lovely wife, thinks the world of me. I promise her my love through all eternity. I've tried hard to make her happy, and so far she doesn't know that I can shake this thing of 15 years ago. 15 years ago, and I still feel the same. Why did he have to mention your name? I'm as broken up inside I see between wake or sun. It takes a mighty long time to get a real love of your mind. I know I've tried since 15 years ago.